Hi guys, welcome back to PowerPoint Glamour. Today we will learn how to create and insert a word cloud in PowerPoint. So please stay tuned. First, let us understand what is a word cloud. A word cloud is an image composed of words used in a particular text or subject in which the size of the word indicates the frequency or importance. So more specific the words, the bigger it gets in the cloud. So that's the way it is highlighted. So if you see in this image, the words creating, fun, something, making are the words which are of more importance or which have been appearing a lot of times. So that's about what is a word cloud. Now let's see, when do you use a word cloud? So word clouds can help you find out your customers' pain points, or it can actually be used as an illustration of customers' feedback or any surveys that you might have done with your customers. To represent it in a more professional way, we use a word cloud. How to generate word clouds? So there are different ways of generating word clouds. First way is the manual way, in which you put the text together one by one. And the second way is through online websites. There are multiple websites available online. Some are free, some are paid, in which you can input your text and will generate a free cloud for you. The third option is the inbuilt option in surveys. If you are running a survey in SurveyMonkey or any other survey sites, it will generate a free word cloud for your open text fields. And last but not the least, through add-ins in PowerPoint. So today we will be learning how to add word cloud in PowerPoint. So let's begin. First, go to the insert menu. Then under add-ins, click on get add-in. Okay, when you click on get add-ins, the Office add-ins open. And when you search, you will see an add-in called Pro Word Cloud. You can also search for it here, or you can just scroll down if you will see it here. So just click on add. Okay, so once you add the Pro Word Cloud add-in, you will see it here under my add-ins. It will appear. So just click on the Pro Word Cloud under my add-ins. Once you click here, it opens. Let's go to that later. Now on the left, if you see, I have a text box. There are about 200 words which I have here. For example, if I have ran a survey in which I wanted to check what are the favorite colors of my customers, and for example, these are the responses which I have received in my survey. So if I collate all the responses in one text box, this is how it appears. And obviously this is not the format which I would be presenting it to my boss or to any person in a meeting or in a presentation. So I want to make a word cloud for this text. Let us see how do we do that. So first, insert all the responses in one text box, and then come here and see, for example, it gives you which font do you want to use. So let's select a font of our display. Let's use this font. And there are different colors which you want to generate your cloud in. This one favorite mostly uses black text on a white background, or we can use the bright one. So let's click on the bright, which has different colors on a white background. Layout, you can select if you want a vertical one or a horizontal one. So let's use mostly horizontal ones, and a few text would be vertically aligned. Then leave the rest as it is. The maximum words are 100 allowed, so that's fine. So once you select this text box, okay, then click on create word cloud. So it will generate the word cloud. Now if you see, the word cloud for this text has been generated. You can go to a new slide and insert this word cloud here. If you notice here in the word cloud, the word black is the biggest. That means the word black has appeared a lot more times than the others. So the color black is the favorite for our customer. So that's the importance of a word cloud. Now you can also go ahead and change the layout. Let's use the black on a white background. Okay, so insert a new slide. Let's insert this black and white cloud as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you love the video, please hit the like button, please share and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.